The Hyatt Regency Hua Hin is a 5-star beachfront resort situated on 12.5 acres of tropical landscapes. It is known for its large lagoon pool, giant waterslide, and the award-winning the Barai spa. The architectural design of the Hyatt Regency is characterized by a blend of contemporary Thai style and a focus on integrating the built environment with the surrounding lush tropical gardens and natural beach setting. The aim is to create a serene and elegant, timeless escape that is both luxurious and family-friendly. The design utilizes open-air spaces, such as an open-air lobby, and guest rooms often feature a sunroom or terrace, allowing guests to experience the sea breezes and tropical climate. The guest rooms and suites are housed in low-rise buildings arranged in a cluster style, which helps them blend into the landscape rather than dominate it. This approach maintains a more intimate, resort-like feel. The architecture emphasizes the extensive outdoor areas. The buildings surround and connect with a series of large, free-form, interconnecting lagoon pools, which include a waterfall, jacuzzi, waterslide, and a beach pool. The resort is set on 12.5 hectares of gardens with exotic foliage and secluded ponds, making the natural environment a core part of the architectural experience. The Hyatt Regency offers a fantastic and extensive network of swimming pools designed to provide a resort-like atmosphere. The pool areas are a highlight of the resort, known for their beautiful gardens and lush landscaping. The main feature is a series of large, free-form, and interconnecting lagoon pools. They are designed to feel like a natural, flowing waterway winding through the resort's gardens. The lagoon pool system features a fun waterslide that provides hours of entertainment for children and adults. The main pool areas are considered family-friendly and are a popular spot for guests. It is located near the beach and extends towards it, offering easy access between the pool and the resort's 315-meter stretch of private sandy beach. Guests with access to the Regency Club Lounge have an exclusive, dedicated pool area. This pool is smaller and offers a quieter, more relaxed atmosphere compared to the main family pool. Seeing the beach at the Hyatt Regency is peaceful and relaxing, contributing to a sense of tranquility and a timeless escape. You enjoy the resort's 315-meter stretch of pristine, sandy beach. The atmosphere is tranquil and serene, making it an ideal place to unwind. The gentle sound of waves adds to the serene ambience. The resort's beachfront is beautiful and picturesque. The lush, well-kept gardens that seamlessly connect to the beach create a scenic and visually appealing setting for relaxation and long walks. McFarland House is a beautifully restored, historic 19th-century Thai pavilion that offers an elegant, yet casual, beachfront dining experience. The two-story wooden house was originally a vacation home built in the 19th century for the late Dr. George Bradley McFarland, a figure important to Thailand's medical history. It has been recognized as an architecturally important building reflecting Hua Hin's cultural heritage. The restaurant features an open, airy design with lounge-style seating and panoramic views of the Gulf of Thailand. The atmosphere is enhanced by chill-out music, making it a relaxing and romantic dining destination. The menu blends modern European and Thai cuisines, featuring a celebration of grilled meats and shared comfort foods. It is a popular spot for both hotel guests and locals, offering a unique blend of history, great food, and stunning ocean views. The Barai is an award-winning residential spa and wellness center located on beachfront property adjacent to the Hyatt Regency Hua Hin. While it is located next to the main resort, it is operated as a separate, more exclusive facility designed for ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation of the body, mind, and spirit. Designed by renowned Thai architect Lek Bunnag, the Barai's architecture is the foundation of the wellness experience. The design incorporates a labyrinth-like layout and uses light and shadow to create a meditative, otherworldly atmosphere that stimulates the five senses. The design draws inspiration from ancient Khmer temples and Barais, man-made reservoirs, which were historically seen as sources of healing and peace. The architectural design of the Tranquility Court is an integral part of the Barai's overall design. The architect considers light a key element, using the building as a stage to showcase the interplay of light and shadow. Narrow openings control how light enters the court, creating a dramatic and visually engaging experience that changes throughout the day. The design of the entire Barai complex, including the court, is intended to be a journey from the outside hectic world to a silent inner sanctum. The architectural pathways and spaces are designed to encourage introspection and a sense of discovery. The court is surrounded by high, 7-meter walls to block the wind and create a strong sense of enclosure, privacy, and peacefulness. This design transforms the space into a quiet, meditative sanctuary, separate from the main resort. Water is a central element of the design. The swimming pool's orientation and surrounding walls are meticulously planned to keep the water's surface still, creating a mirror-like reflection of the architecture and the sky. The design incorporates natural elements, such as large flat rocks sourced from a local Hua Hin quarry that function as daybeds around the pool, integrating the local landscape into the design. Existing trees were also preserved, and the pool's angle was adjusted to accommodate their roots. This unique combination of ancient inspiration and thoughtful, contemporary execution makes the court a visually stunning and deeply serene space designed to enhance well-being and a sense of calm. The Cicada Market is one of Hua Hin's most popular attractions, known for offering a more organized, arts-focused, and bohemian vibe compared to the traditional Hua Hin night market. It's an excellent destination for a weekend evening out. Operating days are weekends only Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Operating hours are generally from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. A beautifully lit, open-air venue set within a tropical garden. The market is neatly divided into zones, providing a comfortable and curated experience. Art Factory is an indoor or semi-covered area that functions as a gallery, showcasing contemporary art, paintings, sculptures, and other fine art pieces from local artists. It provides a platform for emerging talent and a great opportunity to buy unique artwork. The gallery is a platform for emerging artists to exhibit and sell their creations. The artwork and photography on display change frequently to feature different artists and give them a chance to showcase their work. You can expect to find a wide variety of contemporary art, including paintings, sculptures, and other art installations. Artists often work on-site in front of the gallery houses, allowing visitors to watch them create new pieces. In addition to the gallery, you'll also find other artists within the market creating and selling their work, such as caricatures and glass-blown figurines. Art a la Mode and Idea Shop is the main shopping area, featuring dozens of stalls run by young Thai entrepreneurs and designers. It offers unique, high-quality, and creative products that go beyond typical souvenirs. Expect handmade jewelry, custom clothing, home decor, paintings, and artistic handicrafts. Art of Act Zone features a dedicated amphitheater and other performance spaces. You can enjoy free live music, buskers, street performers, dance, and sometimes theatrical shows, often in Thai. The live entertainment is a major draw. Various bands play live music, including jazz, on stages throughout the evening. A large, clean, and organized open-air food court with a fantastic variety of food options. It offers both Thai delicacies and a wide range of international cuisines. Unlike most markets where you pay cash to the vendor, food at Cicada is paid for using coupons, which you purchase at a central booth. Any unused coupons are refundable. Tamarind Market is a chic and relaxed night market in Hua Hin, known primarily for its diverse food and drink vendors. It offers an open-air atmosphere with live music and is often considered a less crowded and more food-focused alternative to the nearby Cicada Market. Unlike other markets that emphasize crafts, Tamarind Market is centered on a wide variety of food and drinks. Seating areas are arranged in a communal beer garden style, allowing guests to sample from many stalls and enjoy a casual, social dining experience. The market regularly hosts live acoustic bands and performers, contributing to its lively yet laid-back vibe. The market offers a huge selection of Thai and international dishes, including fresh seafood, Thai curries, papaya salad, grilled meats, and Western options like pizza and burgers. Popular desserts include homemade ice cream, coconut custard puddings, and mango sticky rice. Hua Hin is a premier kitesurfing destination with reliable wind conditions, long sandy beaches, and several schools offering lessons and equipment rentals. The peak kite surfing season is between November and May. Kite surfing is a popular spectacle along Hua Hin Beach, with the highest concentration of activity. You can watch the action from several vantage points along Hua Hin Beach, especially near the kite surfing schools that mark the main activity zones. Several kite surfing schools operate along the central part of the beach, creating a hub of activity. You can simply walk along the beach to see the colorful kites and riders performing tricks. Numerous beachfront restaurants and cafes have seating areas with unobstructed views of the water. Some are located directly next to the kite surfing schools. When you head to the beach to watch, you'll see a mix of skill levels, from beginners and lessons to advanced riders performing jumps and freestyle moves. The activity creates a vibrant, energetic atmosphere, but the beach is wide enough that it doesn't feel overly crowded.